12 o'clock, guys. Come on.
That's a tornado right there.
Where?
Right over there. Don't stop. Keep going by. I don't want to.
I don't see it. Can you move? See? Right there, you see that thing?
It's fixing to touch down. You see that?
I don't see it. Where? There.
Go.
Sorry.
See that go? That stuff go up in the air?
It's something. It's got a barn. See it?
Yes.
Can we go back over that way and go down that road? Go over there?
No.
Why not?
We have kids in the car.
It's not gonna be.
Go, Dad. I'm scared.
It's alright, buddy.
It's going to pick up us.
No, it's not.
Is it going to pick us up?
No, it's not coming this way. It's done. It's going up.
That
It's still
way.
going. It's got something.
Keep on that way. Is it got a barn in it?
No, it's already gone up.
It's done.
Is it? Hello? Hey, there's a tornado over here. Tell Michael. It's going toward Tommy and Renee's house. It picked up a part of a barn and threw it down, but it touched the ground. Now it's kind of going back up. Tell him to come out there and look. It's going toward Tommy and Renee.
But it's not on the ground now.
It went back up. It went back up, but it's a funnel cloud. It's rotating. It's going down Metal Road right now.
I am on the lead by a tornado.
We're filming it. We're filming it. Yeah, it's going right down Metal Road. We're filming it. It had like a top of a silo. It went up. Now it touched down for just a second. Now it's pulling back up. It's going right over probably. Back up. Well, that's it. There's a funnel. It's halfway down. No, it's going back down. Hold on, guys. It's alright. It's alright. It's going straight down Metal Road. Tell Michael to call it in. Tell him there's a tornado on the ground going down Metal Road. Tell Michael to call it in.
Caleb Thomas.
Tornado on the ground.
Can you let me get out and throw this people out?
No, here, just open the window. Look at that, John.
Yeah.
We're filming it.
What's that?
Squish it.
It's whipping out. Alright, that's about even with now it's going straight over top of their house. We're on the state
No,
line.
it's going up now.
It's above their house.
Where's
Yeah. It was right over toward the church. It looked like the round top of a silo was probably 200 or 300 feet up. Hold on, guys. We're watching the tornado. You see it? It's starting to rope out. I don't know. You
It's
can drive up
gone.
there real quick.
No,
Alright,
it's gone.
It's dying now. Well, I don't know. It's horizontal. It's about to die.
Look, here comes the cops right there.
Here comes a bunch of police.
It's gone.
Why are the police coming?
There's a bunch of cops coming. Is Michael out there on it? It pulled up.
It's gone.
I think it's gone. It's gone now. I don't see it anymore. It's
No,
gone.
it's gone.
It's gone. It went up. We'll go over by the church real quick, make sure it's alright. We saw it.